We already learned about letter sound S, F, T, E, P, P, N. And now I will tell you the new letter sound. There is letter sound K, K, K. So this is the action of letter sound K. You put your finger above your head and say K, 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 K.
This is a story of letter sound K. A family is visiting a castle in Spain. While they are sitting outside the cafe, some Spanish dancers appear in the courtyard. The ladies wear brightly colored dresses and click castanets, going k, 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 k.
Let's sing song together about letter sound K. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Let's redo one more time, and I want you to say letter sound in K louder. Ready? Do your turn. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. That's good, Rainbow Kids. Now, please watch my videos. Let's redo letter sound K and write letter sound K, K for cat, K, K, K for kites.
Hello Rainbow Kids, please find this paper. Let's rewrite letter sound K, K. That's how to write letter sound K. Start from up and down. K. Up and down. K, K is for cat. And then K, K, K is for kite. Okay, if you are find this word together, you will say it K. Very good. Now I need you to continue and write all the letter sound K. Thank you, Rainbow Kids.
Wow, that's so fun, Rainbow Kids. Thank you to make a letter sound K, K, K with me. I hope you are happy and remind if you find this word, you will